Namaste. In this video, we are going to find dy by dx if given y is equal to e to the power x log sine 2x. Both sides differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx, here d upon dx, and function is e to the power x log sine 2x. Here we can use product rule. So first function this one and second is this. First one write as it is, differentiate second one log sine 2x, and now write this second one first, log sine 2x, differentiate this first one, d upon dx e to the power x. E to the power x right as it is, and we know that log x, whenever we differentiate we get uh, 1 upon x. So here log sine 2x, so this will be 1 upon sine 2x, and here we are using chain rule, so differentiate sine 2x, this part. Okay, we differentiate log this. Okay, then log sine 2x, and when we differentiate e to the power x we get e to the power x, e to the power x, and this is 1 upon sine 2x. When we differentiate sine x we get cos x. So here sine 2x, so we get cos 2x, and we are using here chain rule, so d upon dx, and now we differentiate this 2x, plus here we can write e to the power x first, then log sine 2x, e to the power x cos 2x, and when we differentiate 2x we get 2, so multiply 2 and divided by sine 2x plus e to the power x log sine 2x, and this is, here we write 2 first, then e to the power x, and cos 2x upon sine 2x we get cot 2x. According to trigonometric identities, we can write this cot 2x plus e to the power x log sine 2x, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.